Hi guys, for today's video, our lesson for today is all about divisibility rules. So a number is divisible by another number if it can be divided exactly by that number without leaving a remainder. So when we say divisibility rules, it is a quick method for checking whether one number is divisible by another number. So let's jump into the first rule. If the number is divisible by 2, then it should be even numbers. So if the number is even, then it is divisible by 2. That's how it's simple. So let's have an example. So for example, 18. So 18 is even numbers. And if we also have 770, so the last number, as you can see, the last number is 0. And 0 is divisible by 2. So, and 0 is even number. Another thing is, let's say 5,806. So 6, the last digit is even. So those numbers are divisible by 2. Second rules is a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of the digits are divisible by 3. Okay, so let's have an example. So let's say 6,225. So when you add 6 plus 2 plus 2 plus 5, then 6 plus 2 is 8, then 2 plus 5 is 7, then 8 plus 7 is 15. So 15 is divisible by 3. Yeah, so 15 divided by 3 is 5. So therefore 6,225 is divisible by 3. Okay, another one. So let's say we have 3,426. So when you add 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 6, or you add the sum of the digit, so 3 plus 4 is 7, and 2 plus 6 is 8, and 7 plus 8 is 15. So their sum of the digit is 15, and then 15 divided by 3 is 5. So therefore, 3,426 is divisible by 3. And the third rule is a number is divisible by 4 if the number made by the last two digit is divisible by 4. Yeah? So let's have an example for this. So for example, if you have 9,584, so the last two digit is 8 and 4, or 84. And 84 can be divided by 4, which is 21. So that means 9,584 is simply divisible by 4. Another example, if you have 3,426. So look at the last two digits, which is 26. So 26 cannot be divided by 4, isn't it? Can you divide it by 4? Definitely not. So by simply applying the rules, that means 3,426 is not divisible by 4. And the next rules is a number is divisible by 5 if the last digit is 0 or 5. So this one is a little bit easier to remember. Okay, whatever the number you have, as long as it ends with 0 or 5, then that number is divisible by 5. For example, if you have 430, so it ends with 0. Therefore, 430 is divisible by 5. As simple as that. Another one, if you have 8,475, so it ends with 5, right? So that means based on the rule, based on the meaning of the rule, it ends with 5. Therefore, 8,475 is divisible by 5. Alright, that's all for today. And please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our videos if you want to learn more about math. Thank you. Bye-bye.